Cilantro or coriander, one of the easiest herbs to grow, yet some people find it very difficult to grow this herb. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys all the tips and the tricks that you need to grow a successful coriander at home, or cilantro. They are the same thing, they mean the same thing, just that they're being called differently in different parts of the world depending on where you're watching this video from, but they mean the same thing. So get your seeds. This is what cilantro seeds looks like. Okay, I'm using my kitchen bowl. You can use your one of your kitchen bowls. Okay, and then I'm going to pour my seeds into this kitchen bowl. Okay, then add some water. So obviously you can see that I added some more seeds because the little one that I poured previously wasn't enough, and by that I added some more seeds because I needed to grow a lot of them. I need to, or I want to. Okay, I need to grow a lot of them. Okay. All right. So, and then I'm going to add some more extra water to it. Okay. Then I'm going to soak it like this on my kitchen counter overnight. I'm going to leave it here overnight. And then the next morning, I was ready to plant it. So I had to strain it out. Now, if you're not ready to plant it in the morning, you can keep it like this till in the evening when you're ready to plant. Planting time is either in the morning or in the evening, not in the afternoon, because it's going to be too hot and it might kill your seedlings, you know. So you either plant in the morning or in the evening. So I'm going to pour it, strain it out like this. Okay, so I'm sorry y'all, I have to rinse this little one and pour it inside. You can't waste no seed. Okay, so this is what they look like. Now let's go outside and do some planting. So this second step is very, very important. So this is a container that I'm going to use. I made some holes at the bottom that will help with drainage, and I'm using some cocoa coir mixed with earthworm casting. Okay, the cocoa coir helps with the moisture, you know, to retain the moisture, and the earthworm casting is my compost. Okay, so I'm mixing both of them together because this is extremely important, because you can use just any type of soil to grow cilantro. So I'm going to mix it like this. So it's 50-50. It's 50% of cocoa coir and 50% of earthworm casting. Now it's time to grow my seeds in this soil. So I'm pouring it into my hands and I'm just spreading it on the soil, and I'm going to evenly, you know, spread it out so that they won't be clustered in one place, you know. So make sure that you do that too. I'm using my hands, my finger to kind of, anywhere that I see that it's clustered, just kind of move the seeds around so that they will have space to grow evenly. And I'm covering it with some cocoa coir. Okay, you can find cocoa coir at your local grocery store, or you can find it on Amazon. I'm going to leave it in the description box below. Watering is also very important because new seeds need some good watering, especially the first few days, so that they will be able to take root. And I'm going to set it aside. Please pay attention to the next step that I'm going to tell you right now, because it's very important. If you're planting your cilantro during spring, you want to keep your container in a partial shade. But if you're planting it during winter, you want to keep it under a full day sunlight. But if you're planting it during summer, you want to keep it under a shady place where it gets some kind of bright light. Okay, so this is my cilantro after 7 days. See, they are already sprouting. If you found any value in this video so far, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button below. Okay, so this is my cilantro after 15 days. This is what they look like. They're beginning to bring out some leaves. So let me know in the comment section below, what do you use your cilantro for? Do you use it for soup or to make some juice? I use mine for juicing. So this is my cilantro after 27 days. Now, how do you know when it's time for you to harvest your cilantro? Once they reach a height of around 6 to 8 inches, they are ready for the first harvest. So when you harvest the top, it will just keep coming again and again and again. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give me a thumbs up, share this video, And don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below so that every time I post a new video, you'll be notified. We also have a private Facebook group for you guys, not for everybody, but for gardeners, for beginners. If you have any question, you can join us on our Facebook group, Cultivate Me. I'm going to put the link in the description box below so that you can join. If you have questions, all there. I can answer all your questions. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm going to see you in our Facebook group. And I hope you grow your own cilantro and let me know how it turns out. Thank you for watching.